In this video, I'm going to show us how to get set up, get started from our symbol creation template that we just downloaded. This can be either found in your Secret IT folder if you decided to make one on your H drive, or it for sure should be pushed into your H drive, which is found underneath your PC. Alright, so now the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to double click to open this up. I think we've all tried so far to come in and open Illustrator, and everybody's had luck. Install later. The next part here though is we want to come in and we want to do a symbol creation template, double clicking of it, which will allow it to open it up. So when we open this up, it does take a little time the first time. It goes through, make sure you have the license and all those things. Lastly though, we want to make sure that we have it looking the same way that we have mine, and we're also going to name it and save it in the right spot so we know which version we've had, because many people download many things and they really don't know what they've been doing with them so far. Now, the next thing that I want to do after I open this up is I want to make sure that I have my control bar. First of all, the control bar is right underneath your menu bar. Alright, so this is the menu bar: File, Edit, Object, Type, Select, Effect, View. Underneath that is the control bar. Some of you guys don't have your control bar, so you want to go and click on this window menu and then select Control to turn that on. That's how it looks without it. This is how it looks when you turn it on. Alright? This is a very handy bar that we'll need to have there, so make sure you've done that. Now the next thing is just a few things. We want to make sure we name this the right thing, because right now it's called Symbol Creation Template. We can leave that there, but we want to do a file Save As, which allows us to change the name and also move the stuff around if we want to move it. We should have it in the H drive, by the way, or the Secret IT folder. And I want to call this the same thing. So I'm going to deselect by clicking in front and then type in my login after the hour. So first thing is, what hour are we in? Either 5th or 6th, so 5. Alright, your login should be your last 5, first 5, followed by your middle initial, followed by 00. And we can just leave it called Symbol Creation Template. What this does, it allows us to see what we've actually been working on and make sure that we've been working on the right one. So, organization, save. Once we hit save, we'll also hit OK on that piece. That should be all right. And then lastly, up here in this tab, if you have more than one Illustrator file open, you'll see multiple tabs right here. But you should now be able to see your hour, your login, and symbol creation template. You are now ready to start the project. Have fun. Enjoy the tools. Make sure you're practicing them and watching the videos, taking some notes to help learn them. Thanks for watching.